There's Blossom. What is it, Blossom? What's in there? Huh? There they are. Where are you going, Juliet? Huh? Enough of this kid's play? Hey, Blossom. Hey, Blossom. What is it, huh? What's that? Oh, the boys are running around. Bells and balls and feathers everywhere, huh? What do you think, Blossom? Right up there. A big girl. Yes, a little bit of teething here and there. Just a little bit. Good girl. It's in the middle. What's in the middle? Good girl. Good girl. Boys over there. Oh, Blossom right here. Not giving up. Not giving up. Good girl. Good girl. What have you got? Can you reach it? Can you reach it all the way over there? Check inside again.